kiwi, kiwi. Kiwis have a fuzzy brown exterior and a green flesh inside. Kiwis are rich in vitamin C and are often included in fruit salads. Blueberry, blueberry. Blueberries are small and packed with flavor. Blueberries are high in antioxidants and are often used in baking or added to smoothies. Raspberry, raspberry. Raspberries have a sweet tart flavor and are great for snacking. Raspberries are rich in fiber and are often used in jams, desserts, and sauces. Blackberry, blackberry. I like to pick fresh blackberries from the garden. Blackberries are rich in antioxidants and are often used in pies and jams. Lime, lime. I like to add a squeeze of lime to my tacos for extra flavor. Limes are often used in beverages like margaritas and can add a tangy taste to dishes. Avocado, avocado. I enjoy eating avocado on toast for breakfast. Avocados are a good source of healthy fats and are used in guacamole and salads. Papaya, papaya. I like to eat ripe papaya for its sweet and tropical flavor. Papayas are rich in vitamins A and C and are often eaten fresh or used in smoothies. Coconut, coconut. I love the taste of coconut water on a hot day. Coconuts are versatile fruits and can be used for their water, milk, and oil. Fig, fig. Figs have a unique texture and a sweet taste. Figs are often dried and enjoyed as a snack or used in desserts and salads. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. Pomegranate seeds add a burst of flavor to salads. Pomegranates are known for their antioxidant properties and are often used in juices and sauces. Grapefruit. Grapefruit. I like to have a grapefruit for breakfast to start my day with a tangy flavor. Grapefruits are a good source of vitamin C and are often enjoyed fresh or in juices. Apricot. Apricot. I enjoy the sweet and juicy taste of apricots. Apricots are small orange fruits and are often dried or used in baking and preserves.